So we got the brand new 2026 Forest River Cherokee Pup 14cc. This is a 14-foot travel trailers with the doors in the back, not on the driver's side, not on the passenger side. The door is in the back. People love it. It's so small. Any V6, heavy V6 or small SUV will pull this trailer no problem because only weight around 3,000 pounds. Pup, nice front, metal in the front with a diamond plate. You have a propane tank in the front. They give you a lot of stuff like their Cherokee Grey Wolf and the other Cherokee. Big storage doors, 30 amp controller for 200 watts, solar on the roof. So come with the solar panel. Everybody asked me the question. 14, yes, that 14 come with a 200 watt solar panel on the roof. Outside speakers with a TV hookup over there with the bracket, not just a sticker. They give you the bracket. Off-road tires, beautiful. Make it level with your small SUV, or if you have like Colorado S10 or small Toyotas, perfect for that. A plug for TV, it's outside speakers, a latch for your dogs, pets, bicycles, whatever you want to have in the back. Here's what I like about what they did in the 14cc is they give you a bumper. A lot of manufacturers, when they make this kind of small, they chop the bumpers. Wait a minute, safety, you need the bumpers. First, you put your sewer hose inside in it. Also give you as a cushioning if somebody hits you from the back. Hope this does not happen. Nice spare tires with the cover. Backup camera, they give you the camera, and again, this will work on your cell phone. There's a light switch here in the back where you hook up your sewage, so you don't go dark at night and you have to use a flashlight from your cell phone. They give you the light and you hook up the sewage. Everything sit high from the ground. Why? Because in case if you decide to take this unit off-roading, you have no problem. They give you the same amenities as the big trailer. Sandy flush, that's a big deal. You flush your tank with it. City water connection, fresh water, outside shower, hot and cold, endless hot water here. So they don't cut corners even because it's a 14 foot. We're gonna cut corners and take things away from it to keep the price low. No, they kept the same stuff. Now let's go inside. This is the only trailers they make. The door is not on the passenger side. It is in the rear. And I have a lot of people, they like this way. It's a 14 foot, but look how so roomy. So it has a full queen bed here where you could lay down. I could lay down. Sorry, I'm gonna keep my feet up. And I could watch the TV, and the TV is right there while I'm in the bed. They give you a nice storage underneath the bed with the handle. Let me just take this pillow and raise it. Look how big. Show them the cameraman. And this storage is accessible from outside and inside. Put it back. They give you a nice shelf for your water, books, laptop, iPhone. Here's a plug for your iPhone, iPad. Nice shade. Brand new. They give you a small inverter for your laptop or breathing machine. Storage here. Even they give you the trash can. So it comes with the trash can. You could utilize one of these cabinets. They give it to you, or in the bathroom. Nice dinette, very roomy. This trailer, I call it two people trailers, or if you want to take a third grandkids, a small grandkids, so two adults sleep in here and one grandkids here. Or a lot of people, I see them, two couples, they like to take small trailers and it's easy for their towing, and they took it to rough areas, so they need something compact and small. This is the one. And the price, because be honest with you, some manufacturers, like, I don't understand it. On a 14-foot trailer, they want 30,000, 40,000. I tell the customer that's too much. Look, you're getting all this 14cc for $20,099, brand new 26 loaded. Now, kitchen complete. Nice microwave, 2-burner range. Silverware door, and that's the bracket for your TV. They give it to you. Big sink, look how deep. The cutting board, cabinet, storage even here. speakers inside and speakers outside. You have 2 speakers inside, 2 speakers outside. Bluetooth speakers. You put your TV here. There's the plug. Big refrigerator. That's a big deal because other competitor on this size, they give you the small fridge. No, this is same fridge, the big one. Door for fridge, door for freezer. It's a big one. And here's what I like. I have separate toilet. Some other brand, the toilet sit on the side of the shower. This is no, I have separate room, no problem with knees, and I have fan. And then over here, I have another shower. Very roomy. Even they give you sink. You could wash your hand here, and a sink and a shower and 2 fans and this and separations and endless hot water here. So you could see in this 14-foot toilet, standing shower complete, big fridge and freezers, big microwave, 2-burner range, huge kitchen, huge dinette, solid queen bed, all that storage, AC in the roof, power awning, all of this for $20,999, no hidden fees. All you pay the price, tax, license. The unit is ready for camping for free.